Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This charming house consists of 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living room, kitchen, dining room, office, laundry room, and a garage on the main floor. It also boasts a 1 bedroom apartment on the basement floor, which can be used to generate additional income for the family. Tucked away in the tranquil community of Fairfield, this house has well manicured lawns with plenty of yard space all around and lots of fruit trees for you to enjoy. Located in close proximity to schools, hospitals, shopping centers, parks, and beaches, the land area of this house is approximately 17,090 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 285,000 or Jamaican $43.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.